Yarmouth Village. This site is unique, but it also exemplifies a walkable village community. Each station plan is both unique to the community location, this one being in downtown Yarmouth, and is in common with other stations in that it's, quote, last mile mobility connection design. The route plan calls for a shared pedestrian recreation use from India Street to at least this Yarmouth location 12 miles away. Each town makes its own decisions on allowable lane uses, but it is our goal that Yarmouth 2 is a kiss-and-ride station with limited parking. The train station selection would be on a privately owned 5-acre site in the heart of downtown Yarmouth with an existing rail siding. The private property owner recently submitted a development plan to the town of Yarmouth for a residential condominium of 4 stories tall. Comments are due by August 17th. We hope the town and the private owner will give serious consideration to the site development as part of the Grand Trunk restoration with station and multi-use rail corridor. A train station designed and integrated with the residential uses is known to create value while contributing to livable, walkable communities. Imagine living in the center of Yarmouth Village and walking to all the amenities, including a direct link to the city of Portland or any other service center station along our route. Developments like this do not need to meet strict land use provisions about parking. Imagine arriving at the famous yet notoriously auto-congested Yarmouth Clam Festival by train, or living in one of the corridor towns and sending your child to North Yarmouth Academy, a short walk from the station. Just imagine. There are so many possibilities with rail service, and because we have this asset in the heart of the city already, it's an amazing potential for transportation and to revitalize the community of Yarmouth. With views like this, keep your imagination running wild for the town. Here are some more views of the 5-acre site where there could be potential development. You can see the rail siding next to the tracks that currently exist, and this big open parking lot is where there might be condominiums. And this site will be really unique in that it will be in the heart of downtown Yarmouth. Yarmouth will really enjoy this station, and we look forward to getting it there.